Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star Flames. In this video, we're gonna talk about Britney Spears' ex-husband, Kevin Federline, because this man wants to take Britney back to court because he wants more money. Now, if you're not aware, Kevin Federline is being paid $40K monthly in child support, and one of the child is 17, about to be 18, which means that child support is about to reduce to 20K monthly. So Kevin Federline, because he's a crocodile and he's not able to work because his hands are short and they're stuck at his side, because that has to be the case, why is it that this grown-ass man does not want to work and he keeps living off this woman? He's not even, helping to foster a good mother-child relationship between Britney and her sons. If anything, she has been setting up those boys against their mom. And when she tries to be a good mother, he tells them that she's crazy. The mother was saying the last time Britney, had them over for a visitation, you look ashy, come, put some lotion in your house, on your feet, sorry. And Britney was teaching them proper mannerism. And you could tell based on Britney's actions that the kids weren't being taught proper mannerism. And some people were like, oh no, this shows that the kids aren't being cultured properly, because the mere fact that they told us that Britney is the crazy one, but here she is, telling them to ensure that they put some lotion on their skin, they look ashy, don't talk to her like that, don't speak to a lady like that. And that jackass Kevin Federline thought that those clips were cool. They were going to put Britney in a bad light, but no. Social media saw a good mom, and what people realized is that those kids were not being cultured properly. So just imagine when they go out in the world. I believe, and I do hope, that those boys finds their mom eventually and tries to build a healthy relationship with her, because I do believe that they need it. And I do hope that the veil that their father has been putting over their eyes for the past couple of years, and not just father, grandfather, because I'm learning that Kevin Federline and Britney's dad, they were about to write a book, or gonna write a book about Britney. Disgusting if you ask me, right? Now, let's get back to this, sucker of her baby daddy, ex-husband, gold digger, cannot work, have no intentions of getting a job, piece of trash, because I hate men like this. I honestly do. Do I hate Kevin as a person? No. Just his behavior towards Britney and how he's not willing to help foster a healthy relationship between the kids. And once there are two parents alive, the kids needs both parents, okay? But let's talk a little bit, because this sucker is saying that he's going to take Britney back to court because, he needs more than 40K monthly. No, listen to this argument, right? They want the payment to be modified because it seems that the terms that were initially agreed upon, Kevin did not anticipate having full custody of the children, especially since Britney was freed from her conservatorship in late 2021. Who is ensuring that Britney doesn't have a co-parenting relationship? Who is ensuring that Britney does not get that right? Kevin and Britney's dad, of course, because it's not as though they're even giving this woman a chance with her kids. She's not getting the opportunity, to even try. And we know, we're going to keep it real. Yes, Britney's mental health, yes, is unstable, but I've seen many moms and dads with mental health challenges, they do a damn good job of proper parenting. And if anything, those parents, they get up and they fight harder because they know that they have someone depending on them. They know that they need someone who needs them in their best health possible. So when you look at everything here, it's bad. It seems as though Britney just cannot get a break. If it's not her father trying to capitalize off her, it's her ex-husband, the father for two kids, most currently Sam. It's as though people always wanting to take from this woman. Now also, what we're learning is that this man, right? He wants to take the kids to Hawaii. He wants to move to Hawaii, and he wants to get this increase before he moves to Hawaii. And not just that, because the child support law in Hawaii is different. Britney would have to pay child support up until 2025. This is the reason why he wants to move to Hawaii. Not because he really wants to move there, but because he's a sucker who refuses to get a job, and to make something of himself. And he intends to live off this woman and her money, irrespective of the fact that she's not working. Besides the memoir that she has coming up, she does have royalties coming in, but also we have to remember she has her medical expenses, and there's over $600 million of her money that is missing that BJ Investigates was able to track down and locate how they have been trying to take the money out of the trust that Britney has, put her money and all her, property and assets into. She ensured that she secured that money. And you see, if we should, follow BJ Investigates to see how Britney ensured that she protected her money, we would understand, that Britney was nobody's fool, and she saw problems ahead, and she did the best she could do to protect herself. And this is why they are, playing so many games with that $600 million plus a lot of her assets, because she ensured that it was secured. But it's just that the measurements she had laid in place, people did not follow the rules, they did not follow the laws, and for some reason, the legal system has also failed this woman. The judges that were overseeing the case, during her conservatorship, they did it wrong. They did not follow the proper protocol, and we have to call out everyone who is involved at this point. They all failed this woman, and they failed her miserably. And this is why this sucker, Kevin Federline, is trying to get her back into court for more money and wanting to move to Hawaii so that she will have to pay child support up to 2025. But I'm happy that Britney has a lawyer that actually seems to care. And I do hope by some means of miracle that BJ Investigates gets to join Britney's legal team. I do hope Britney hire BJ Investigates, because she does an amazing job, a thorough job when it comes to Britney's personal affairs, tracking Britney's money and all of that. And I believe that, she can help to put things into perspective and get some of these people behind bars where they belong, and get Britney some long overdue justice. That's all I have to say about that. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts about Mr. Croc, Kevin Federline? Because only a croc has their hands tucked by their side as though they can't work, and is refusing to work, not willing to work. I want to hear from you. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share if you care, and talk to you all later. Peace.